in the roof on a house that is 6 meters wide peaks at a height of 3 meters above the top. Find the length of the sloping side of the roof. In this question here, we realize that this here is 6 meters, this whole length up here, over there. If a perpendicular is dropped from the center of this roof, that means a 90-degree angle is formed here. That divides this length into two equal portions. In other words, it bisects this length here. So that means that here is 3 meters, and over here is 3 meters. So what I'm going to get is a triangle that looks like this. These two sides are equal, right? 3 meters in length. 3 meters in length, and the length of the sloping side of the roof, let's call it R, is what we have to find. So by using Pythagoras theorem, since this is a 90-degree angle here, we are really finding the hypotenuse of that triangle. So R squared is equal to 3 squared plus 3 squared. So R squared is equal to 9 plus 9. R squared is equal to 18. R is equal to the square root of 18. That means that R is equal to square root of 18 equal 4.24. So R is equal to 4.24. 24, and this would be in meters. Alright.